Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can convert an image into a PDF file on your Samsung smartphone. So let's start our video. First thing, you need to open Gallery application on your device. Right at the bottom, you will find the three lines. You need to tap on it, then go to Settings. Then scroll all the way down where you will find Gallery Labs. If you cannot find this option, you can find the link of the video where I explain that how you can enable Gallery Labs. So once you enable the Gallery Labs, you need to tap on it. You need to scroll down where you will find Support Save as PDF. You need to enable that one. Now, you need to go back and you need to select the image that you want to convert it into a PDF file. Once you select it, tap on Create and here Save as PDF. You need to select Default Order and then just once. And as you can see, the image has been converted into a PDF, and now you need to tap on the three dots here, Save File As, and is PDF image, and here you need to choose the destination where you want to save them. I will choose Downloads. You can choose any other folder, then tap on Done and then Save. So once you save that, you need to go back to your images here, and as you can see, this image was changed into a PDF file, converted into a PDF file, as you can see it here. So guys, this is all it takes to convert an image to a PDF file on your Samsung smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.